Welcome back to What My Dad Does, and today I'm using Thistle Hardwall to fill in an area where I've done a bit of block work and I just want to match the plaster around it. So let me tell you how I'm going to do that. So what I've done, I've mixed my Thistle Hardwall. You don't want this too wet, but you do want it to have some body. So when you're mixing it, you'll feel a bit of resistance. It's a little bit thick, okay? And then what you do, what I did here is I just started in the top right corner. Unlike multi-finish, where you start at the bottom and you thin it out, here you start at the top and you push into it all the time. So you're always pushing into it. I have just done this bottom bit. And all I do is I put the product on fairly thick, uneven and bumpy, and then I use my straight edge. I wet my straight edge and then I just run it up the wall like so. And as you can see, I'm taking product off, which is what I want to do, because left behind is a beautiful flat wall ready for multi-finish over the top. Now, I won't touch that with my trowel. This product I'll take off and I'll reuse. I've got to do this return here. I won't touch that with my trowel until it's almost gone off, because if you start touching that, what you're doing, you're bringing the water to the surface and the product actually starts almost falling away from the wall. This is fairly thick. It's not too bad if it's thin. But I'll leave that, let that really go off, and then I'll trowel it up a bit. You can put a bit of water on it and trowel it up to make it a bit smoother if you want. But it is one of those products, a bit like render, a bit like bonding, where you put it on too thick, and then you take it off. Very easy between 2 points. So I've got my angle bead and my wall. I'm going between those 2 points. If you're doing a complete wall, you need to use your straight edge, put it on really thick, use your straight edge, put a level on it and take it off level. So that's actually very difficult to do. Most people don't do that anymore. Most people are just going to stick plasterboard to the wall rather than use a product like this. This is mainly for filling in like holes like I've just had here. But it can be done. But it's much easier when you're just going between 2 points. You just need a straight edge, take the product back off. It'll leave you a nice flat area to skim over once it's dry. Last thing to say is, when you do skim over this, this is going to be very absorbent. So when you put your multi-finish on, this area is going to dry very quick. So I will PVA this again. I PVA'd the wall that I've put this on, but I will PVA over this once it's dry before I skim finish it. Okay, I hope that helps. I hope that's all the tips you need, and happy plastering.